After that, more water goes into it. More water goes right inside the bucket right there. The clothes feel so good. They feel so soft, very clean. They smell good. Okay, they smell good. You can smell them. You can look at them and see. The sock is very easy. Now it's very clean. Okay, so that's like part 2. That's the second soak. Okay. And then as it gets pushed in, it gets squeezed again. It gets squeezed again. Okay? So each time you're pulling a piece of clothing out, it gets squeezed. Okay, let's put it right here. Kind of like warm. It's warm water. Okay, so it gets full. It has some weight on it. It has some weight on it. Okay. Maybe 40 pounds, maybe 40 pounds. Okay. So this is like the second rinse right here. Ah. I don't know. Can I help? Can I help? You sure? Please? You don't want me to mess it up? Okay. So, you see I tried to help. Alright? But you don't want me to mess it up. Okay, wow. So that fabric softener that was put in, that fabric softener, that's supposed to make sure that the clothes don't get wrinkled, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay. So this right here, right? This is the fabric softener, okay? Wow, that smells really good. You need a seat? Okay. You sure? What was the first time you washed clothes ever?
First time?
Yeah, first time.
I think when I was 7, but I didn't know how to clean them well. And when I was 15,
Yeah. That's when you
I
know
was
how.
doing it very well.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I guess when you're younger, it's like hard to clean it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you want me to get you your bonnet? You want to get your bonnet?
Oh.
Look at the